The Chinese phone maker Homtom has made quite a few phones over the time, and the Zoyi Z9 is one of the latest offerings. The highlight of this device is its rugged design. Let's take a look. The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a headphone jack adapter, USB OTG cable, and a screen protector. The Homtom Z9 has a body that can take a beating, as the phone is shockproof, water resistant, and dustproof thanks to IP68 certification. Despite rugged properties, the phone has a glass backplate. The device has a nice aluminum rail with chamfered edges that goes all around the device. The top and bottom of the phone are made of shock-resistant rubber. The USB Type-C port is covered with a flap. Unfortunately, the phone does not have a headphone jack. The overall build quality is very good. The phone feels sturdy and the buttons are nice. The phone is relatively thin and compact considering the fact it has a massive 5500 mAh battery. Also, the device does not feel heavy in the hand due to good weight distribution. That battery lasts for a long time. I was able to get about almost 19 hours of screen on time on a single charge. While you may not achieve this result all the time if you use the phone more intensively, you will always feel confident that the battery will last you a long time. You can also use the phone as a power bank to charge other devices. In addition, the supplied fast charger fully charges the phone in just over 2 hours. The display is really nice and sharp thanks to the in-cell technology. The panel looks vibrant and beautiful both indoors and outdoors. The fingerprint scanner is accurate, but the display could light up a little bit faster. Also, it is implemented near the cameras, so you may need a few days to get used to the position of it. The face unlock feature is reliable too, but I found myself using the fingerprint scanner as it is simply faster. Other notable features include a dual camera system that consists of 21 and 2 megapixel shooters on the back and a 13 megapixel shooter on the front. There is also a notification LED light and a hybrid dual SIM card tray. The loudspeaker may have a bit more depth, but overall it's pretty good. Also, it can get quite loud. Here is a short audio sample. The phone ships with a Helio P23 CPU, 6GB of RAM, and 64GB of expandable storage. The gaming performance is kind of mediocre. You should expect to see quite a bit of stutter in games like Asphalt Extreme. There will also be some skipped frames in the Shadow Fight 3, and finally, the PUBG is playable only on low graphics settings, but there will still be some skipped frames and a bit of lag. Overall, this is not the best phone for gamers, unless you like playing games with reduced graphics settings. The Homtom Z9 ships with the Android 8.1. Right off the bat, you can notice that the phone is really fast and snappy thanks to stock Android user interface. There are some added features like gesture and motion controls that work fine, but that's about it. No bloatware, no gimmicky features, just pure Android experience. The main camera can take nice pictures in good lighting. Well, I can't say all pictures are perfect, but this is one of the better camera setups in a budget rugged device, as you can get some really nice images out of it. The portrait shots use mostly software to mimic DSLR bokeh effect, and the low light camera performance could be better, but this is what you have to expect from most of the budget rugged phones. The selfie image quality is quite decent, but the colors are usually washed out and there could be less noise. 1080p video looks okay, but there could be more detail in the footage and the continuous autofocus is kind of slow. 1080p selfie video is mediocre as there could be more detail in the footage. Connectivity-wise, the Homtom Zoyi Z9 is pretty good. Call quality has been decent, I had no issues with signal reception and GPS has been working fine. The device also has NFC and a few sensors including a gyroscope for 360 content. Finally, the phone has a heart rate monitor. The Homtom Zowie Z9 is a phone that offers a rugged design and quite a few other features, but let's summarize all the pros and cons. For the price of about $230, you get a phone that is well built, it is water and dust resistant, and it can survive a few drops. In addition, I like a sharp display, very good battery life, and stock Android that assures fast and snappy day-to-day performance. Finally, the camera can take nice daylight pictures. However, the gaming performance is mediocre and bokeh-like pictures taken with the help of depth sensors do not look great. At the end of the day, the Homtom Zowie Z9 looks like a solid budget rugged phone as it does not have many flaws to consider, especially for the price. What do you think about the Homtom Zowie Z9? Would you buy this phone or would you choose another budget rugged phone? Drop me a comment down below, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.